This is a Trendmasters C-Watch. This is the Pokémon version that came out in 1998, this one specifically the Squirtle one. The whole idea with the Pokémon C-Watch and any of the other C-Watches is that when you press the button on the side, the character is supposed to tell you what time it is, and then you get to watch a scene from the anime or whatever property it's from. And there were tons of these out there. There was an Austin Powers one, there was a South Park one, there was, I think, some wrestling ones. But a common problem with these is that the audio doesn't work, which is what happened to mine. So I'm going to show you how I fixed the audio in this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to remove the 4 screws on here, and you're going to want to be careful when you're removing this backplate. The speaker is glued to this backplate, which isn't the problem. The problem is that the speaker has 2 contact points on it, and there are springs that touch that contact point. So if you tilt this the wrong way, the springs fall out. I've already actually undone the glue that is on this speaker. This is what my speaker looked like, and I am sure that the speaker was the problem. Unfortunately, because of the way that this is built, I'm sure that something in time went through that, a liquid, dirt, anything that made this... It's not supposed to look like that, I'm sure. To fix some common problems, potentially, these are the 2 contact points right here that these springs are touching that would make it produce audio. If these 2 are dirty or have corrosion on them, that could be one of the issues that you're facing. And this right here is what I mean when I talk about the 2 springs that touch the contact points on the speakers. What I ended up doing was buying some brand new speakers from Amazon, and I can post a link in the comments to the ones that I purchased. This one said it was a 100 ohm speaker, and I could not find that. These were listed as 80 ohms on Amazon, but this has 8 ohms right here. I cut off the wires on the new speaker, so that way the contact points on the new speaker would look like the contact points on the old speaker and line up with the springs. For a more permanent solution, what you're going to want to do is figure out how to glue this into the position that the speaker was originally in, but I can show you right here that it does work as long as the springs right here align with the contact points on the new speaker. The speaker is also magnetic, which helps it a little bit in staying in place.
It's 10:35 p.m. Squirtle, Pokemon number 7. Type water.
Truthfully, I'm not sure what the difference in the audio would be, since this one says 100 ohms and the one that I put in is entirely different ohms. But it does work. And that's the important thing. I can finally hear this watch again for the first time since like 1998. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching. Pun intended.